Here's exactly how I sell 3 GoHighLevel features and make $57,000 per month. You can see here's our Stripe account. Last 4 weeks, we've made over $57,000. You can see the hover animation. This is legit. And so here's the 3 features we sell: review automation, review responses, and review repurposing. All business owners care about is getting more customers and saving them time. And so we're gonna help local business owners with these 3 features. We're either gonna save them more time or then help them get more customers. The reason why they'll pay a couple $100s a month for these features is if you type in any service into Google, in any service area, you can see now the map pack is kind of done. Google's testing this AI search thing, and you can see what's the top rated company here, 2.2 thousand reviews. That's the number one Google's suggesting, right? These people here in the sponsored listing here, they're paying thousands of dollars a month to rank there to try and get calls and clicks, and they have to pay for every single call and every single click. But if we can just help local businesses get more Google reviews, you can see, look, the number 1 reviewed business is number 1. The number 2 reviewed business is number 2. That's so weird. Let's look at gutters in Birmingham or whatever. You can see the number 1 reviewed business is number 1. The number 2 reviewed business in 3, that's a little bit different here, but you can see the top guy is the top guy because he has the most amount of reviews. And so these business owners are so busy, they don't have time to set up an automated system to text and email their customers to request a review. And so that's why we do it in HighLevel. And so you can see they have a lot of customers already, they just don't know how to get the reviews. And so what we're able to do is we're able to grab their customer list that they might have 1,000 previous customers on, and we're able to turn that into 100 or 200 reviews doing what we call a review reactivation. And so let me show you how we set that up. And if you've been trying to sell HighLevel or start a marketing agency forever and you don't know what to do, copy me. I swear, just don't reinvent the wheel. This has worked for like hundreds of people in my community. There's hundreds of businesses doing this, hundreds of agencies adding this on as a service, hundreds of other softwares just doing this. Quit trying to reinvent the wheel and just stick to something for a couple years. It's not easy, but it is simple. How you do that, you just go to HighLevel, you go to contacts, you want to find where their customer list lives. It's probably in their CRM, in their QuickBooks, in their invoicing system. Click on import, upload all their customers. If you sign up to HighLevel with my link, that's why I make these videos, because I get 40% of your sign up to HighLevel. Nothing additional to you. I just get some things. That's why I give you a whole bunch of stuff for free. 2 coaching calls a week with me, all that good stuff in our community. You'll get all the automations built out for you. So you can just get one link and copy and paste all the automations I built and put it into your account. But you can see, you just go to workflows here. You can see this is our reactivation workflow. It's all built out to track and make sure to follow up if they've left a review and all that sort of stuff. See if they've already left a review. All that sort of stuff is already built out. And so after you upload all those contacts right here through the CSV file, you just select trigger an automation. It's not listed here because it's not published right now, but add it to that workflow and then you're good to go. You want to drip them out over a couple weeks and they'll get a bunch of reviews. Getting them the reviews is actually the easy part. Getting them to say yes and reaching out and dealing with rejection, that's the hard part. That's the reason people fail. So the next thing we sell is super simple: review responses. Help show potential customers reading their reviews that they're a reputable company. Oh, and one other thing we do as well is that we send out personalized images. So we're able to, through our snapshot, you're able to auto-populate the customer's name on a photo of the owner, on a photo of their technicians, a team photo of them. So that way when they reach out to Sally and say, hey, thanks for letting us do your gutters, it's a team photo in front of their truck or whatever it is, and it has Sally's name on it. It gives them a much better chance of getting that review. The second thing we sell is review responses. So this is going to save them a bunch of time. Also, it makes them look more reputable on Google, so people know that they're a legit company and they actually care about their customers. And so literally that's just clicking a button in HighLevel. Click on reputation, click on settings, click on reviews AI, turn on auto responses. You can customize like different agents and stuff to respond in a certain tone. You can have one agent deal with the negative reviews, one agent deal with the positive reviews, all that sort of stuff, but you literally just click the button and they have to just connect their Google business profile so that you respond to them. That's literally it. Last thing is review repurposing. Turning these 5-star reviews into social media content and putting them on their site. So what you can do is we can put little review widgets on their site. So if you go, we'll do the widgets first. So we go to reputation, we go to widgets. This is an example of a review widget. So anytime they get reviews, the new reviews can be added to their website automatically. It might sound stupid to some people, but I can't tell you, we've onboarded over 1,000 people. I can't tell you how many people, when they're thinking about canceling or asking about canceling, they're like, what about the widget? And I'm like, yeah, you'll lose the widget. And like, okay, we'll just stay on for now. People don't know how to deal with their website. These business owners are so busy with all the other things they have to do in their business that they don't have the time to fool around with automated text and automated review responses and adding reviews to their website automatically. I could have somebody come here and screen on our back porch, but I'm not going to fool with it. I don't want to take the time to learn how to do that for the very first time. I would rather just pay somebody to do it. So you can add the review widget to their site just with this code. So copy this code here and you can just embed it to their site. You can send it to their website developer and they have a bunch of different templates. This one's like a carousel one. This one's like a grid. You can see they have this flash one. So in the bottom corner of the site, it'll pop up and say such and such left a review. And that way, no matter where the visitor is on the site, they can see the social proof, which will give them a higher conversion rate on their site. A lot of cool widgets here. Another great thing is that it's free marketing. So you can see down here at the bottom, it says powered by Review Harvest. So if somebody clicks on that link down there, it goes to your page, it's free marketing. The other way we repurpose reviews, once again, we're saving them time, is we go to marketing. You click on here, you click on add social media accounts. So you can connect their Facebook, Instagram, Google business profile, all that sort of stuff. click on new post, click on post reviews, choose the Google because you want to post Google reviews as the source. Obviously you only want to post 5-star reviews, select all their accounts, choose how many posts you want to make, and you can say I want to make 1 post a day, 1 post a week on Thursdays at 10, choose where you want these to go post, click on next. I always add an up custom image. You can see it, we normally just use their brand color and their logo down at the bottom, and then you can adjust the caption to say whatever you want it to say. You can look how it looks like on the stories, you can adjust the font, and you can adjust kind of the opacity here. So you can get really creative with this. You can take this into Canva, make little things around the border or add like a team photo in the background, all that sort of stuff. So now they're paying us a couple $100s a month. We're requesting reviews, responding to reviews, and repurposing reviews for them, and they're ranking higher on Google and getting more customers. And if you have tried to sell all the other crap on HighLevel, not that it's crap, HighLevel is great, but if you just tried to like sit down with a business owner and say, hey, look at all the stuff we're doing, or we try to sell AI or missed call text back or review responses or whatever, the great thing about this is that we are not selling a replacement service. So we're not saying, hey, use our booking system and use our invoicing system and respond to leads in Lead Connector and train your team on how to learn a new app. If they're already using something and they already have some process in place, even if it's not digitized, there's gonna be this massive cost of change where for 2 to 3 months, you're gonna hate them because they're gonna be calling you every single day saying, hey, how do I do this? How do I do this? Hey, why is this text not going through? Why can't I respond to the customer? What's going on? We're not selling a replacement. We're selling a simple add-on. I don't want people calling me at 11 o'clock because they don't know how to send an invoice. I don't want people calling me because they feel like their leads aren't getting responded to. I don't want people to deal with that. We talk to people at the end of the customer journey. And so I'll talk about that in a second. But we don't have to train them or their team on our new software. We're literally like, hey, hop on an onboarding call with us. You never have to log in again, period. It just happens in the background. And so although we might be able to charge less, I don't care what the gurus say, you can't charge $500, $1,000 a month to most business owners to get reviews. If you get really niche and like a really in particular industry where they have a lot of money and you're very branded in that way and you have something unique on kind of the way you sell them, then maybe. But for the most part, we charge $100 to $300 a month for the service. And we've got over 600 people paying us all the time. And like I said, we're not between them and their leads. Anytime you're on the front end of a customer journey and you're selling to local business owners, if the business isn't working, if they're not closing new deals, if they're not getting enough leads, they're going to you. They're looking to you. They're pointing the finger at you saying, what's going on? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? No matter what, whether you're involved in it or not. Since we're on the back half of the customer journey and we're only messaging customers and we're just helping them get more reviews, they're not pointing the finger at us. They're just paying us like a utility bill, and it's a lot less sweat off our back because we're not worried about it. You don't have to get them to download the Lead Connector app and they're calling you asking, hey, why is it not loading? Why can't I log in? Why can't I respond to a customer? Literally, like, what do you mean? You don't have to log into software ever. We just set you up once. It just works in the background. Last thing, you're not designing massive websites. Some business owners are chill about websites, but some people, holy crap, you'll go back and forth revision after revision after revision. Change this, update this. We're doing this now. Update this. Oh my gosh, what a headache. We're literally just getting reviews, responding to reviews, repurposing reviews. And kind of the thing that makes this all tick is doing a CRM integration. I've got plenty of other videos on my channel where basically you get integrated into their current system, like you get connected to QuickBooks or whatever they're using, and you can automatically request reviews in the background. So they get a new job, goes into the HighLevel sub account, and they're requesting a review. So that's just what makes it totally automated. Those are the 3 GoHighLevel features I sell to make over $57,000 per month. That revenue is just from Review Harvest. That's not anything from this YouTube channel. Like I said, if you do want to get started with HighLevel and get my snapshots, my templates, 2 coaching calls a week with me, all that good stuff, feel free to sign up at the top link down below the description. You'll get an extended 30-day trial instead of the 14-day trial with HighLevel, and I would love to see you on the inside. If you want me to prove that I can get new customers even if I had to start over from scratch with no case studies, no testimonials, check out this video where I locked myself in my truck until I got a paying customer.